Hello everyone, our today's task is rewrite C++ program that reads principal rate and time from the user. Calculate and display simple interest. This is the coding practical exercise. Question number 7 is what we are going to deal with in this presentation. So if you are new here, as usual, please kindly make subscribe, like, share, and give us your comment in the comment section. Without spend much time, let us start. Do you want to be the professional and competent in computer programming language? You are in right position. So with GOO computer tutorial, you can become the professional and competent in computer programming languages like C++ programming language, Java programming language, Visual Basic programming languages, and other languages like HTML, cascading style sheet, and also OOP in different languages. What you want to do now is to make subscribe, like, share, and give us your comment in the comment section. To find the simple interest, we need principal, rate, and time. So that's why we are going to make a declaration of those variables. Int principal, int principal, fruit rate, also int time. Like this, also we need to declare fruit simple interest like this. Then after, we have to write the statements that ask user to enter principal, rate, and time. South enter principal, then end line. Then I can now copy this and paste it here. Also I can paste it here so as to manage time, and then cin principal, also here cin. I have to change here enter rate, then cin rate like this. Then also here enter time, and then cin time like this. Now after reading these variables, now I can calculate simple interest, which is equal to principal times rate, and then times time. After this, now I can now display this simple interest by South the simple interest is like this, SI, then end line, because when we make declaration, this SI it mean simple interest. Here you see this is a simple interest. So after this, let us make compilation and then check whether there is any error or not. Cin the principal here I made error. Now I have to put here n, because you see problem was that this principal was no longer declared here, because here I did not put here n. So I can now make compilation again, and also you see here is principal here like this. This is what I mainly say that C++ is case sensitive. That's why we have to make sure that the variables that used to mean or explain something is written in the same case or same form. So now you see, now there is no error. I can now run our program and see what will be output. It's pretty simple. For example, let us set 7,500 like this, and then when you make enter the rate, for example, is 2%, and then you see time is 5 years. Now you see simple interest is 75,000. But here, you know that when we calculate the simple interest, we have to divide it by 100 because this rate is over 100. So that's why I make put here a bracket, also here bracket, and then over 100 because is principal times rate times time over 100. Because remember, this rate is over, we count rate over 100. We can say 2%, 3%, 5%. That's why we divide by this 100. Let us run again. You see 7,500 with rate 2% and time 5 years. You see, now simple interest is 7,000 and 75,000, but here there's still error because we not ever make compilation. That's why it's written like what you have seen previously. You have first to make a compilation before start, and now you see now is 750. This is the simple interest for our principal, which is 7,500 with rate 2% and time which is 5 years. So this is our output of our program. You see, this also is in the section of sequence control structure, because you see the first statement is to enter principal, which is 7,500. Then second is to enter rate. Our rate is 2%, and the third statement is to enter time. Our time is 5 years. Then compute simple interest by using this formula, which is principal times rate times time over 100, and then see what simple interest is, then to display simple interest. This is the output now. So please, if you are new here, let me remind you that you have to make subscribe, like, share and comment so as to be inactive to our channel right away we upload any video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.